Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to create something absolutely adorable. Cinnamoroll, the cute puppy from Sanrio, all in 3D using Blender. So let's get started. First, remove the cube and add the reference image. Move it to the y-axis or x-axis. Now add a cube and add a subdivision modifier. Scale it on the y-axis and z-axis. You can either add a new cube or duplicate the existing one using Shift+D. Press Tab to enter Edit mode, where you can scale the object. Scale it down to match the reference image behind it. Open another tab to view the reference image more clearly. For the legs, use Shift+D to duplicate the head. Scale it down and adjust the shape to form the leg. Add a mirror modifier to duplicate the leg onto the other side automatically. Adjust the shape to match the reference image. For the hands, use Shift+D to duplicate, and then add a mirror modifier. Continue adjusting the legs and hands until you're satisfied with the result. Use Ctrl+R to add a loop cut, which will make shaping easier. Modify the shape of the hands and then rotate them to achieve the desired position. Duplicate the ears just like you did with the legs and hands. Adjust the shape of the ear to match the reference before applying the mirror modifier. Once you're satisfied with the shape, add the mirror modifier. To create the tail, press Shift+ to add a Bezier curve. Press Slash on your keyboard to enter isolation view. Shape the tail into a spiral form. Once you're done, go to Object Data. In the Geometry tab, adjust the depth of the tail. Now, select the object and convert it to a mesh. Select the edges and press them to merge them together. Add a subdivision modifier and a solidify modifier. When you're done, position the tail onto the body. Right-click and press Shade Smooth on all the body parts. Moving on to the eyes, add a circle and rotate it to face the head. Go to Edit Mode, press F to fill the circle, and then press E to extrude. Add a subdivision modifier to smooth the shape. I made a change to the shape of the head. You can do this when you first create it. I forgot to do it earlier. Add a mirror modifier to the eye. Position the eyes on the face of the head. We're going to add a path curve to create the mouth. Adjust the shape of the path curve to form the mouth. Convert it to a mesh and then adjust the depth. Merge the edges by selecting them with Alt and pressing M. Now, position the mouth on the face. To create the flower petal, add a plane. Press Ctrl plus R to make a loop cut. Adjust and refine the shape of the petal to get the desired form. Press E to extrude and give it volume. Modify the shape of the petal as needed. To set up lighting, add a plane and place lights as desired. Add a color material to the eyes and mouth. Go to the Shading tab and add an image texture. Go to the Texture Paint tab and use a brush to paint the cheeks. Now, for the final step, set up the camera angle and adjust the lighting. Oh, I forgot the petal. Go to Shading tab, add a new material. Add an image texture and a color ramp. And now we're ready to render.